Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created a very easy tassel charm. Here are some fibers and ribbon that I have, and this is a bead cord. I'm going to wrap it around and create a double knot. The following step will be to insert a few beads into the cord. I'm going to insert a total of 3. Now you can pull up a little bit the ribbon so you could hide that double knot from the bottom. Now you're going to add a lobster clasp to make it a charm. You will do a double knot. Now for the final step, I decided to add an extra bead. And I did tie the ends to secure the bead in place. And here is the tassel charm. I attach it to my traveler's notebook. If you want to see a flip through of that Bohemian inspired traveler's notebook, visit the link below. Well, thank you for watching and spending your time with me. I hope you like this quick and easy tassel charm tutorial. Tell me what you think below. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram and visit my Etsy shop. Until next time, and God bless.